McNasty on the track, remix edition. Lad.
Okay.
Oh, we on FaceTime? What is this? Hey, 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 hey. Freak McNasty. He looking for Tinashe. He basically, this is a whole song dedicated to Tinashe. I'm just letting people know. Jessi just had to come up wobbling on my, I mean not mine. She said on a dick. Listen, first of all, let me retract that statement. That's crazy. That's a crazy statement to say. Hey, if you're a youngin', close your ears. The adults are talking. Slap and scold me? What the f? Yo! These lyrics are crazy. That's a bar. Damn, what she talking her shit? Oh. What the f? I don't care if you small. My Kegel so strong. What, bruh? Put away the kids at this point. Hey, close your eyes. Everybody. Yo. These lyrics are crazy. Awich. Woo. Hey. Shaking all the way to your screwdums here? What the hell? We got MILLI in the building. We got MILLI. Oh my god. Oh my god. What the fuck? What am I watching? This I'm so thirsty, you know who can open your bottle. I'm a QT, me sexy, I'm on a degree. B, catch rapper, master of kissing, I'm fast at the licking, spanking my fat ass and capture this princess body. Cause after this party, you're never gonna see me, even you begging, but daddy, I'm waiting, yo. I don't know what to say to this. I'm just MILLI. MILLI? Cause after this party, you're never gonna see me, even you begging, but daddy, I'm waiting, yo. Yeah, let me show you around what Bangkok City is. Why would you play that? Why would you do that? Oh, bro, I need to watch. Bro, Hedgen. This McNasty remix is crazy. Really? Bro, whatever Jessi said, Awich, freaking MILLI. MILLI though, that's what got me. I was like, what is she saying? Oh shit. You're around what Bangkok City is. Let me bang in your clock. As a matter of fact, don't even bring back Jay Park in this. Just let the ladies talk. I'm just saying. Wait, what? What'd she say? Let me bang in your clock. Oh, Ramengvrl. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Fight, fight. Hey. Ooh. What? Freak McNasty. Okay, get your intro. Allah, Lil Cherry. What is Lil Cherry gonna say? He's gonna say something crazy out of pocket, bruh. He just starts out like, of course. Let me see this. Let's go, Lil Cherry. That's your wait, Cherry. That's your first bar. Is I love it. Let's go. Vitamin C. Vitamin C. I can't even get past it. She just clapping with the phone on the floor. Holy shit. What? Explore me, Lil Ponce. Bro, I knew it. Her bars are usually just crazy. But yo, it's fucking, bro. Her whole like 4 bars was I fucking love Lil Cherry. Oh, MIRANI, right? Is that I said it right? Ooh. Ooh. Hey. Oh, that was short. Oh. Okay, what is it? Maliibu. Miitch? Woo! Like a movie. Ooh. Like a food. That's a bar. Now he killing me like a food. Wait, why they censored that? They didn't censor the. Okay. Oh, CAMO. Okay, CAMO. We just gonna finish it off right now. No delay. Bruh, J-Fire brought out the freak and out and everyone. Hey man, I don't need you. I really don't need to hear your rap after all this. I just. But I'm going to. But yo, shout out. Freak McNasty. Freak McNasty. Oh, he not even spit a verse. Okay. Oh, he didn't even rap. Actually, Loki was looking forward to it. Okay, we just doing eyebrow stuff. Okay, I see why you wanted me to watch this. Bro, there's some crazy bars on here. I'm like trying to process this. I don't, bruh. I don't. All right, we just okay. Let's. All right.
Hey, you better subscribe.
While Dre's having a moment, be sure to check out my Patreon. We watch shows. Currently, we're watching Going 17. So be sure to subscribe, become a member. Hope to see you there. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.